Andrea Chen.
Hello, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Hi.
Who's this with you?
My mother,
Oh,
Harleen.
Hi.
always protecting the kids, right?
Yeah.
I'm here to keep her out of jail.
Dig deep.
Yeah.
We just happen to have 2 cells, too, so.
Okay. This is a red light violation.
Okay, pause right there. We're jumping straight into a classic courtroom mix-up. A daughter, a protective mom, and a red light ticket that might not even belong to them. But watch closely, because what starts as a routine case turns into a story that connects decades, generations, and one unforgettable judge.
North Main Street and Branch Avenue. Have you discussed this with your daughter?
Yes, I have.
You have? And what did she tell you about it?
She doesn't recall the incident
Oh,
and doesn't know where the streets are.
Here's the twist. The plate doesn't even belong to her. This is where real-world law meets real-life confusion. It's a reminder that bureaucracy can sometimes pull the wrong name, and one honest mistake can bring anyone into court. You can almost feel the tension shift as the judge double-checks every detail.
Claims loss of memory. Is that what she does?
I don't know.
No,
You have to ask
the
her.
plate number on here is not my car, so I'm just a little confused about that.
Well, let's take a look at it.
Okay.
This is on North Main Street and Branch Avenue. We're going to take a look at it right now. Lisa, let's go. Stop it. Okay, is that your vehicle?
No.
Watch how the courtroom energy changes. Laughter breaks out. But under it all, there's a sharp legal point: liability. Who's responsible when a dealership's loaner car racks up a violation? The judge knows the answer, but he's letting the moment breathe. This is the calm before the ruling.
So,
This plate is registered to Performance FH Inc. First Hyundai on Washington Street in North Attleboro.
yes.
Are you familiar with that location?
Yes, I am. I actually bought my car there. My car had a recall. I don't remember the exact date, but they gave me a ride to work.
Oh, you weren't driving the car?
No.
And there it is, justice with precision. Instead of just dismissing the ticket, the judge exonerates her. That word matters. It means she's completely cleared. Notice how he keeps the tone respectful and factual. That's how real-world integrity looks inside a courtroom.
And then they ultimately gave, when my car had to wound up staying there for 3 weeks for a safety recall.
Well, what happened here, I suspect, Inspector Quinn, is that the summons went to the dealership, and they gave us her name, saying she was driving the car. Your name is not on the summons. The only reason you are here today is because a summons was sent to this.
This is where the story turns human. The courtroom suddenly transforms from legal theater to heartfelt tribute. When she brings up his father Toffee, the judge's walls drop. You can see the emotion in real time. These are the moments that remind us justice isn't just law, it's legacy.
Car dealership,
Right.
because the car is registered to the car dealership.
Yeah.
Right. They notified us that you were driving the car on that date. So I'm not going to take any action on this, and the summons is going to go back to them.
Okay.
Okay.
Right? So I'm not dismissing it. I'm exonerating you based on what the representation you're making before the court, that you weren't driving the car.
Right.
Okay. So it's the dealership's responsibility.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I tell you a little story?
Let me get comfortable.
Thank you. Just tell him.
Well, no.
What started as a traffic ticket ended as a tribute to compassion. A judge remembering a man who never stopped delivering milk to kids in need. That's the heart of justice right there. If this story hit you too, hit that like button. Drop your verdict in the comments and subscribe for more real courtroom
It's not
breakdowns.
going to be 4 hours. I just wanted to tell you that I was born on 95 Tell Street and into my grandmother's home, Anna Minicucci. And your dad used to deliver milk to my grandmother.
Yeah.
So that's what I wanted to tell you.
And my grandmother, God rest her soul, she always used to say, if you ever go in front of Judge Caprio, please tell him that his dad's nickname was Toffee.
Toffee.
You know, you made my day, and you've opened an area. I want to explain something to you. My dad was an immigrant. He came from Italy. He came here, and he was a fruit peddler.
Right.
And subsequently, he got his big job in life. He became a milkman. And his nickname, as your daughter indicated, was Toffee. And that's because when he was peddling fruit, one day his face was so frozen that he couldn't order a cup of coffee in a restaurant. And he says, "Give me a cup of toffee," because his face was frozen. So that became his nickname for the rest of his
Right.
life, Toffee. But the one thing about him delivering milk that everyone talked about is that he was ordered by the company that if people didn't pay their bill for 2 weeks, that he was ordered to stop the milk. And he took a position, he would always tell us, if there are kids in the house, I'm never stopping the milk. And he never did.
He was a good
And
man.
as a matter of fact, he would take money out of his pocket and say to the company, they made a partial payment.
Yeah.
You know?
Aw.
But when there were kids involved, I'm getting emotional about it. He never stopped the
He
milk.
was a wonderful man.
You made my day. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.